what time it is. It's 8:09 in the morning. They got some kind of race. It's called, I don't know, Battle of the Borders or some shit. Kansas versus Oklahoma. So we're gonna go ride with some Kansas boys today, boys. That's what we're gonna do. We got to keep it clean, boys. I know we racing another state, but boys, you got to keep it clean. We got to play fair. I don't want no elbows to the front brakes, no elbows to the liver. We don't need no off-balance side kicks to the knees, and no gosh damn face mask. Yeah, let's keep it fucking clean, right? Fucking dirt bike, boys. That's what we got to keep it clean. So I got to stop. I got to put some 91 octane off in my little dirt bike. That's right, Ron Jones runs 91 octane. I ain't gonna spend $8 on no 5 gallons of gas. Not no faster than I fucking am. We just have to buy a bigger bike. That's all that would have to happen. Ain't to put no $8 gallon, 5 gallon gas in my motherfucking dirt bike. You crazy as hell. So we got to stop, we got to put some gas. We good in gas in this. We got to get gas on the dirt bike. We got to get some ice. I got to stop and get some salad. Mixed with my chicken. I'm gonna make me a cold chicken salad for lunch. Get some ice, and then we gotta stop and eat. Gosh damn it, I gotta be at the track by 10, and it's like almost an hour drive, 45 minutes, 50-minute drive. I got to get off here and quit bullshit, boys. I got to fucking go. Well, hello, sun all up in your eyes this morning, ain't it? I need a large, hot, white chocolate.
You want whip on it?
No whip.
All right.
I only do whip at night. You have any croissants?
No, we don't.
You ain't got croissants. This ain't Burger King, is it?
No.
Gosh damn. I guess I need a bacon, egg, cheese biscuit. I know you got biscuits. You got good biscuits. How about a large orange juice? That sun's all up in your face, isn't it? You got the whole gosh damn thing up in there. Hey, can you tell them no ice in that orange juice, please? I forgot to tell you.
That's the reason I'm so tired.
More music for a limited time. These include small fries and a drink.
Oh, I tell you, you tough looking at that sun all day. Or half the day anyway. You tough girl, see. Gosh damn! Muskogee smelling like shit and piss this morning, boys. Woo! It's smelling rotten as hell in Muskogee. I got to get the fuck out of here. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We finally got all fueled up, and I get to get out of this piss shit smelling town for a little while. Tulsa, here I come, baby, here I come. Coming to get the ass fun, get away from this funky ass smell. I got to fucking go. Man, ain't nothing like getting to the gosh damn track and having to go take a gosh damn shit.